A very good evening. In fact, a very warm Happy New Year, and that is the way I would like to greet. And this new year is bringing so much warm smiles on the faces of so many global Indians. I'm so happy and elated to be nominated as the most admired global Indian for 2020. I must extend my heartfelt warm thanks to Passion Vista magazine, which is also a business magazine apart from being known as a luxury magazine, who has considered my nomination for this position. I feel very humbled and of course, this humility comes with a sense of great responsibility. Being nominated for such awards only adds, of course, it adds glory to your family name, but it definitely adds lots and lots of responsibilities on your shoulder. And we feel that given the reach, in fact, I personally feel that given the reach and the shelf life of Passion Vista, even if I'm able to move one life originally and genuinely, believe me, I will feel that my contribution to the society is done. One life can move so many other lives. In fact, in my life itself, if I look back, I always have been moved, intrigued, and motivated by my husband Sumit, I must say, because this is one name I cannot help mention. He was the one actually, who made me what I am. Whatever little I have been able to achieve, it is only because of him. And today, when I represent my country across the world, across global village, if I may say so, I feel so happy because the Indians are looked upon with such awe, with such integrity. And I feel that being an Indian and living in India is one of the most important blessings that God has endowed on me. As an Indian, I have felt that when I represent myself being an Indian, I feel that the name of myself is not so important. The name of India in the front of my t-shirt is very, very important than being Miss Benani, which is written at the back of my t-shirt. Because my conduct and the way I talk, the way I walk my talk only tells what India is. So if I may just put it this way, that my output in the outside world is the input that I take it from India. Today, India is not only looked upon for its intellectual capital, but of course for all the other kind of abilities, be it manufacturing hub, be it trading hub, and be it a professional hub. So if we can really project ourselves as true Indians, as true Bharatiyas, as true Bharatvasis, I think we have already left our mark across the global footprint, and leaving further marks will not be very difficult. For all the young aspirants who are looking at this video and all the other videos floated by Passion Vista, I must say that उड़ान तो आप जरूर भरिए, but उड़ान इतनी तेज भी मत भरो कि पंख थक जाए तुरंत ही. It's very important that we believe in perseverance. We believe in each step bit by bit, and it is only when all the cumulative effect will just take place at an appropriate time, and you will just feel that was it so easy to climb mountains after mountains. You will not even feel the pain and pressure that you have taken to cross mountains over mountains. You will feel that it was so easy. And that very day you will realize that the route is so important than being the tree yourself. I wish Passion Vista all the very best, and I also wish all of you a very, very prosperous new year. Do very well in your life, and you must have role model in your life. I feel that having a role model who is like you, whom you can see, feel and touch, really gives you a lot of sense of motivation. And sometimes when you feel low and down, these role models pep you up. So all the very best, and I'm blessed by God, I'm blessed by my Almighty that He has given me this opportunity to be whatever of little use to the society.